Recently, I got a feedback from Debolina. She asked me to cook something which she can easily do it in India. So here it is. The only thing you need is Licious masala, which you will easily get it from their online store. Good morning everyone and welcome to my cooking channel. So today again I will try another recipe with Licious meat masala. It is basically Dakshini Pepper Fry. So here I will follow the ingredients and the cooking method. So basically for the ingredients you can see things are that chicken, we need the chicken curry cut, that is the small pieces. I have taken small pieces of chicken. Then we need this Dakshini Pepper Fry masala, oil, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, curry leaves, chopped green chilies, chopped onion, chopped tomato and some salt. So let's come to the cooking method where it is said that pre-cooking preparation you have to marinate the chicken with the Licious Dakshin Pepper Fry masala for 15 minutes. And then we will follow the cooking steps where step 1, heat the oil and then you have to saute the garlic and ginger till the garlic turns golden brown, and in step 3 you have to add the chopped onions, and then in step 4 marinated chicken and salt, and also you have to saute it for few minutes, and in step 5 add the green chilies and cook on slow flame till it is done. Okay, so let's follow it. We will marinate the chicken and we will keep it for 15 minutes. So here are all my veggies that are mentioned there: chopped onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, chilies, and just for a change I don't like curry leaves flavor, so I am using coriander here. And also you can add some chopped potatoes if you want. Adding the oil. Okay, so adding the chopped garlic and ginger as per the instructions. You have to saute it till it turns golden brown, and I am doing this cooking in low flame. So my garlic has turned golden brown, you can see that. Now I am going to add the onions. Again you have to follow the same procedure. You have to cook it till they turn brown. Just a tip from me, you can add a little bit of salt now while frying the onions. This will make your onions fry faster, as well as the salt will penetrate inside the onion and it will also taste good. So my onions are almost done. So now I am adding the chopped tomatoes. And you have to cook it till the oil separates from it. I am cooking this in medium flame now. While you are cooking it in medium flame, be very careful. Continuously you have to toss it. So just an optional tip. In this step also you can add a little bit of Licious Pepper Fry masala. So now it's time to add the chicken. I have added the marinated chicken here. So it's not in the instructions, but I will add little bit of water in my chicken. If you want it dry, You can skip this, but if you want a little bit a gravy thing, then you can add little bit of water in it. Some salt as per the instructions. And saute it now. So you can see chicken has also released water. So if you really want it dry, you can skip adding water. So at this step, I will add the chopped chilies. And again I will cook it. If you want it too spicy, then you can add some more pepper and some more chilies. So my chicken is almost ready. So I personally like this Licious masala a lot because it gives me some flavor of pepper, coriander. It's just a nice blending of pepper and coriander. So, and many more ingredients are there. So I will recommend it to all of you. Please try it and let me know in the comment box. So my chicken is ready to serve with rice, with naan, with bread, anything. You can just have this chicken with anything. So let's garnish it with some ginger and coriander. Okay, so definitely try it and let me know, and please do subscribe my channel.